Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add information about your education on the BestJobs application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then tap on the menus icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Now tap on your profile icon, scroll down till you find the education section and click on it. Now you have to select the type of studies that you have completed, the name of your institution, your major or your specialization. Then you have to select or have to indicate the duration of your studies, and you can also give a description of your studies by typing it into this box. If you are ready with these steps and you would like to save these information about your education, all you have to do is tapping on the button save in the upper right corner of the screen. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.